Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each, good morning to each every one of you just got finished watching And the Breadwinner is. Before I give my reviews for this one, hi! Anton Bernardo! Parang nasa surprise, kumusta ka na?
Okay lang.
Guys, my old friend Anton Bernardo, kumusta?
Ayos.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Gosh, ano, saan ka na ngayon nag-ano?
Mrs.
Yeah, I know. Madam, kumusta? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Hendrix. May ano ka ngayon, upcoming projects?
May mga inayos na indie film.
Wait. Kailan, ano yun?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi
So,
pa?
nag-vlog ka na ngayon?
Oo.
Wow.
Hendrix AA.
Yeah, hey,
Guys, meet ang Mr. Anton Bernardo.
Merry Christmas.
One of the famous star during 90s, early 90s.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Wait lang, ano muna tayo ng konti bagyang kwentuhan muna tayo. Ano yung huli mong movie?
Sa GMA, TV na pala.
Okay.
So, may mga ginagawa ngayon mga
meron.
indie film.
Wow, oo.
Abangan nyo
Good
lang.
luck. Invite mo sila.
In-event ko sila sa mga upcoming projects mo. See you guys. Merry Christmas.
Uy, Merry Christmas ha.
Bye.
Okay. Ano nga pala ka na mo, FB page mo? Para...
Anton Bernardo.
Ay, minsan na, hindi kita makita doon. Ayun ba? Diba? Sige.
Bye.
Good luck ha. Bye-bye. See that? Hold on guys, thank you Lord for the wonderful blessings that you gave for all the trials and challenges that surpass. And hold on. Gosh. I forgot my, oh gosh, where are my 13 lovely countries? Hold on. Hold on guys. I'm starstruck with Anton. We've known each other during 90s, early 90s. Hold on. When I was still working in Oliver's Super Sandwiches as a crew, we met along the Robinson's Galleria hallway. Let me think. 1996. During 1996, and then, wow, almost 3 decades from now. Anton, thank you so much. You're still the one that I've known for. You're still one of the kindest person that I've met. Very overwhelmed. I can say that much, guys and girls. So let's ask some moviegoers about the movie. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you. To my mother in Bicol, Fea Bordo, and to all my viewers, to all my silent subscribers out there, hi, to all my 13 lovely countries. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.